Thought I'd take a minute and remind everybody that I have 2 game cams put up for this house build, so I can make a time-lapse video at the end. I thought about adding a couple time-lapse videos in the middle, one of getting this concrete ready, getting all the forms up, the rebar, all that, all the way to the end of the pour, and putting that up, and then maybe another one later on, and all the way at the end, putting all those time-lapse videos together for one whole chunk. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a couple time-lapse videos in the middle of the house build, kind of getting to that point, and I'll see what I can do. Well, that's pretty much my day. A little bit yesterday and then all day today. Pouring gravel in over the form boards on this side in 2 different spots where I have access. Filling buckets, shoveling, whatever I can do to get the gravel out where I need it. I poured gravel out. I've done this for, well, I did it all day yesterday too, I think. Got a good amount of gravel down. And then I compacted all the area, the whole thing, and went over the center section here where that ditch was really deep. You have the electrical coming in at that end and the plumbing going out this end. So that center ditch, well, it's a little off center, but that main ditch right there is pretty deep. I want to make sure and run a compactor over it a few times before we cover this whole area in concrete. make sure it's really well packed in there. So I've got more to do over there. I probably have to get another couple buckets full of gravel with a backhoe, put them on that corner over there, and then spread it out. I still haven't done the center section there between the two white strings that I have no idea if you can see or not. I set up the strings. There's 4 strings right now. The strings are set to the top of the form boards, which is the grade of the concrete, the top of the concrete. So it's easy to figure out where level is. Using a 2x6, which is 5.5 inches tall, I need 6 inches minimum of clearance below the top of the concrete, because I've got 2 inches of foam that's going to go throughout the middle, along with the 2 inches of foam that's going to go around the outside. But I've got 2 inches of foam, and the concrete needs to be 4 inches thick. It can be a little thicker, but you don't want to go thinner. You don't want a chance of that concrete breaking. Even though I'm going to have rebar 2 foot on center throughout the middle in a grid pattern, I don't want to run the chance of getting that concrete too thin. So a 2x6, it's 5.5 inches tall. I make sure I've got a little bit of gap between the top of that 2x6 and the bottom of the string. Gives me about 6 inches, if not a little bit more in some spots. It's just a little time consuming kind of running that thing back and forth and moving gravel in. It'll get done though. We'll get this done between today and tomorrow. Hang out guys, I'll get you another update soon. Until next time, go make something.